Let's talk about a common topic. Who should make the holes for installing downlights? Is it the decoration company or the installer? His personal view is that drilling holes is not the installer's responsibility. It's not part of their job. First, there's the issue of cost. They charge $3 to install a downlight. It's just not worth it. Secondly, if they drill into a light steel keel, whose fault is that? It's a thankless task. Previously, he drilled into a light steel keel. Had to get the decoration company to fix it. And they still complained about his work. Moreover, it's redundant for installers to drill holes. They also need to meet with clients. Clients mark the installation spots for them. Based on the client's marks, they then drill the holes. This time, to be safe, he brought a wall detector. First, check for any light steel keels above. Just place it up there, done. The first hole hit steel. Can't help it. The client's requested spot won't work. Need to move it back 10 centimeters. Of course, he communicated this with the client. The original spot can't be drilled. There's a light steel keel above. See how accurate the detection is? Right where he drilled before, it's steel. The second spot to drill. Measured it. Also steel. What a bad day. Without this strong detector, these two holes would have been a mess. Originally planned to move it back 5 centimeters. But the client insisted on just 2 or 3. Look, hit the steel keel again. Luckily, it's just a bit, not a big issue. Thank goodness. Just a small hindrance. If he had drilled at the original spot, it would have been right in the center. Not a good day for work. This one also has a steel keel. The drilling spot is right above the steel. This one needs to be moved too. Shift it 10 centimeters back from the original spot. If he had listened to the client and moved it 5 centimeters, it wouldn't have worked. The original spot was right next to the steel keel. The client left the rest to him. Seeing so much steel, the client let him decide the spots. First, he could align it with the hallway. Measure from here, steel keels are every 40 centimeters. He can avoid the steel keel gaps while measuring. Get this size right, and it won't hit the steel keel. All downlight holes are done. Found 3 spots with steel keels in the hallway. Thanks to the strong detector. Also, about installing spotlights and stripping wires. Is his method normal? He posted a similar video before. Got some backlash. When stripping wires, he starts from the middle, leaving a bit of wire end. Not stripping the insulation all the way off like this. Some say it's not secure. Others say it's prone to leakage. Is there any leakage risk? Though he strips from the middle, the copper wire inside won't cause leakage. Not sure what some fans are thinking. Also, how does he shoot these installation videos? Let's see today how he shoots this downlight installation. First, 2 boxes on the side. A foam pad on top. His phone is placed on the foam. Angles it to face the downlight above. This way for shooting. Quite a task to shoot a video. Really not easy. Alright. Everything is installed. Time to clean up. These tools are essential. Might get a tripod with these. Would make future videos easier. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments.